I'm not a running expert by any means, and you guys probably think running sucks if you're watching this. I started off terrible, and today I'm a little less terrible, but there are some few tips and tricks to make it a bit better and more enjoyable, and here's how to make running suck less in 2021.
Step one, I think everyone needs to set an obtainable goal, whether it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes running, one day, every other day, once a week. Set an obtainable goal so that it feels as though you're achieving something. It's the little steps that make it to the end goal.
It's okay to run slow. Your running capacity, you'll feel, is much longer than you thought, where you're banging out 3 miles, 5 miles, 10 miles. So run slow, run at your own pace.
To make running suck less, you don't need to go into it thinking I need to run every day. I need all that volume. I need to have meaningful sessions that are at least 2, 3, 4 miles long. Start off small. Just start off with that little amount of realistic frequency, 2 to 3 times a week.
One of my favorite dynamic stretches or dynamic warm-ups to start with are doing lunges. They really just get the quads going, and they don't feel like I'm overextending any one muscle. I think that's what you want to avoid when you just get into a run.
Prevent injuries. And you can do that by just listening to your body. When there's a session coming up and you feel hurt as a beginner and you don't know what to do, I think the last thing you want to do is run through the pain and maybe end up hurting yourself where you can't run again for another month and then you're out of it.
I actually feel like an underrated warm-up, jumping jacks. I think they taught us to do them when we were younger, but I think they are actually useful and get your heart going, and the most important part of running is just being available. They say the best ability is availability.
What also helped make running suck less was proper running shoes. When I first started running, I was wearing these Nike trainers. They're not bad, they're sneakers, they're comfortable. I was able to run in these no problem, but I received these as a gift, Saucony Endorphin Shifts. First pair of running shoes in my life. It actually made my experience so much more enjoyable. They're designed for running, so they're gonna help make you run better.
There are many different types of running shoes. As you can see, I've tried many different kinds, ranging from brands to cost. In the end, they're all made for running and will help you in the long run.
One thing that helped me get into running and helped me stay consistent in running is working out with my friends. I think running with people helps you not quit, and running with friends helps you continue and also just build consistency. I think without your friends you kind of just want to quit. It's kind of a mental battle, and they kind of help combat that.
I really think running with friends helps you push through tough times. Sometimes you don't feel like running, or it's a little difficult. You don't feel motivated, but running with someone, it forces you to keep up pace or helps them push you.
So to wrap everything up, when you are starting something new like running, just remember in the beginning to set obtainable, realistic goals to help you guys stay consistent. And once you are improving, look into some running shoes to help enhance that experience. And at the end of the day, you want to have longevity. So to be healthy, just listen to your body. And these are some of the tips that helped us stay consistent with running, and hopefully this will help make it suck less for you guys as well. Peace.
I think the real reason why we wanted to start this is that we want to change the perception of things that we hate, running being one of them. We kind of had this moment where we were like, yo, we all hate Mondays, but we kind of want to just change the perception of things we hate, like Mondays, like running, and kind of make the channel about that. How can we make it suck less? But yeah, just want to clear that up. We're not experts, and if we can help people change their perception of things that they hate, like running, and to make it suck less, then I think we're onto something, and we'll continue doing it. So